Hey, how's it going? My name is Steven, and today I want to share a small Python trick about switch syntax. So as we all know that in Python we don't have this switch syntax to help you to redirect your options, but instead we can have got if, else if, else if, else. And so that's also very good, and today we want to take the benefits of dictionary to finish this switch syntax in our Python coding. So you can tell that I just opened my PyCharm and I've got a function which is called foo. And this foo function takes an input, and to check the input equals to 1, 2, and 3. If your input is 1, we are going to print 1. If your input is 2, we are going to print 2. If your input is 3, we are going to print 3. So the next stuff I'm going to do is somehow I'm going to use the dictionary of Python to replace this block of codes, the if, else, if, else, if. Not going to use them. I'm going to use a dictionary to finish the same functionalities. So first, I'm going to comment this out. And first, I'm going to define a function in this foo function, and this is doable. And also, you can define this function outside the scope of this function, so it's up to you. So I can do print 1, and this function is just going to do print 1. And we are going to do the same stuff for print 2 and print 3. So I'm just going to copy and duplicate them. And going to do the multiple select. So now I've got 3 functions, and each function is doing different printing and printing different values. And now I'm going to define a very cool dictionary, and this dictionary called switch dictionary. Just called dict. So this dictionary gonna have the three keys corresponding to the different input values. So if your input value is 1, I'm gonna get a key which is 1, and this one corresponding to the method which is called print1. But be careful that we are not gonna have this kind of round brackets, because if you do that, we are gonna call this function inside the dictionary, but we don't want. We only want the name of the function that you want to match with your key. And we do the same stuff for the 2 and the 3. And at the end, that if we have got an input, we can use this switch dictionary to pull out the name of the function you want to call. And now you can put the round brackets here. Means that I'm going to invoke this function to make the functionalities or generate influences. And here you go. Now if we do a quick test, if now I'm going to print like foo 1, we have got 1. And if we do foo 2, we have got 2. And if we do foo 3, we have got 3. So without this if, else, if block, we can take the advantages by using just 2 lines, get the dictionary, and the dictionary, the key values is your inputs, and the values of the dictionary is going to be the names of your function you defined either inside this function or outside this function. And after this, we get the name of function, and we call this function and to do the functionality stuff. So that's pretty much it is, and just a small trick I want to share that there are alternatives in Python you can take benefits to finish this stuff you want to do. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.